You will be doing your Meia Lua de Frente to the same direction that you have the leg behind. Now, if I have my right, so I'm going to step to my right and I'm going to do a half moon circle. So a half circle with my opposite leg without touching the leg on the ground. And at the same time as I kick, I'm going to alternate my arm and bring the leg to the Ginga position. So step, kick, and change the arm. Let me show you from the side. Again, you can start very slowly, step by step. So I'm going to bring the back leg to the middle on that squat position, change the arm first, and kick my leg around without touching in the ground. The leg is going to the outside to the inside. So you're bringing the leg from the outside, and as I kick, I change my arm without touching the leg on the ground. Let me show you from the front angle and from the Ginga. So from the Ginga, when I step my right leg to the back, I'm going to kick to the right side. So I'm going to kick and bring the leg back to the middle and reset. On the left is the same thing, so you create a half moon shape with your kick.